Hey y'all, Papa Smith here with another garden episode, and I actually kind of came up with a surprise as I was out here just weeding the garden. So let's get right over. So I started over here with bed number 4, and you can see I got it pretty well cleaned up. You can see the garlic all the way on the outside. So if you're seeing green stuff on the outside, that's actually garlic. But you can see the middle of the beds are mostly cleaned up and that sort of thing. So I started moving over to bed number 3, and I started discovering a whole wallop of carrots, bunch of baby carrots. So this is what happened late in the season last year. I had put some plants out here, and I was using my Earthway seeder. And at any rate, I ran it through. It was really late. I didn't know if I was going to get anything, and it came down, November and December. I still hadn't seen anything in the garden, so I just kind of considered it a loss. Well, I guess with the hot and cold weather that we've been, let's just say hot and cold, but the sort of mild and freezing cold weather we've been having here in Ohio, I guess some of these did germinate, some of these did start to grow. And at this point in the season, I mean, look at some of these. Some of these are like almost finger size here. Like, here's my hand for comparison on some of these. Some of these are nice, pretty nice size, pretty good. So, anyways, just thought I'd share that little surprise with you. I guess sometimes you plant stuff, the seeds will stay good over winter until they're time to grow, and they just do their own natural thing. So, nice surprise for me. I'll take these inside. Might even have some for dinner. Hey, thanks for watching that garden video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and hit the bell icon so you guys are getting it right when I publish it. All right, have a good one. Papa Smith out.